Okay, so I found a baby birdie bird at an estate sale today. Cute little birdie birds come in all shapes and colors. Well, same shape. But it's a Furby fake. And so I thought I'd show you what it does. Has little wings like a little penguin, ears like the Furby, beak like the Furby, eyelashes like the Furby, feet definitely like the Furby. But even though it has fluff here and uncharacteristic Furby fluff here that isn't Furby-like, and the tail, it has a pull string. Also, I am calling this one Yodel because it yodels. There we go. So, meet Yodel. When you leave him alone, he talks to himself, so you don't necessarily need to press his tummy or pull his string. Because it literally says, baby bird speaks birdie jabber whenever you play with them. Pull the string and they dance and sing. They talk to themselves if they're bored or lonely. Sleep when they're tired. Your fuzzy friends for life. Baby bird will get tired and go to sleep after talking to itself and getting no attention from you. So, it really is a baby bird. It came out in 1999. Taipei, Taiwan. It was made in China. All the good stuff there. This one, it said it does come with a name and birth record, but this little guy didn't. So, we're calling him Yodel. And that little screech gets me every time. So, an somewhat unknown, not as common Furby fake. The baby birdie bird.